Foundations of Math Success, Empowering Early Learners, facilitated by Dr. Timothy Gadson. Welcome to Foundations of Math Success, Empowering Early Learners. Today, we're exploring the essential role of foundational mathematics in shaping the educational experiences of young learners. Throughout this session, I will highlight research that demonstrates the significant benefits of solid math teaching practices. I will also introduce key strategies known for their effectiveness in the classroom. You'll gain access to practical tools designed to help you implement these methods, ensuring you can create a dynamic, inclusive, and equitable learning environment for all students. Get ready to transform your approach to teaching mathematics, making it a cornerstone of your students' early educational journey and setting the stage for their lifelong success in math. Join me as we lay the groundwork for deep and lasting mathematical understanding. Understanding the fundamental importance of early mathematics education is crucial for developing well-rounded learners. Research indicates that proficiency in early math skills strongly predicts overall academic success, extending beyond mathematics to include areas such as science and reading. The early introduction of math concepts lays a robust foundation for more complex learning, facilitating cognitive development as students progress through their educational journey. Regular engagement with basic math concepts significantly boosts a child's cognitive abilities, enhancing critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and complex logical reasoning. These skills are not only pivotal for academic success, but are also essential throughout life. Mathematics is not merely an academic subject, but a vital life skill that enables young learners to make sense of the world around them. It is fundamental to daily activities, helping children understand everything from simple quantities and measurements to more complex tasks like time management and financial handling. For instance, when children play board games that require counting or measuring ingredients for a recipe, they apply math in real world scenarios that underlie its relevance and utility in everyday life. This practical application helps cement their understanding and application of mathematics, demonstrating its value in a tangible and impactful way. The correlation between early math education and academic performance is strongly supported by longitudinal studies and cutting-edge neurological research. A notable study from the University of California, Berkeley, has shown that children who received structured math instruction in preschool performed significantly better on standardized math tests by third grade than their peers who did not receive such instruction. Further, data from the National Institute of Early Education Research reveals that early exposure to math concepts increases a child's likelihood of excelling in math by 20% by the end of their primary school years. Neuroscientific research adds a deeper dimension to our understanding of how early math education impacts cognitive development. Research conducted by the Institute of Cognitive Neuroscience at University College London demonstrates that engaging in early math activities enhances connectivity in brain regions associated with critical thinking and problem solving. Specifically, activities aimed at young learners can activate the lateral prefrontal cortex, which is crucial for higher cognitive functions. Functional MRI studies complement these findings, showing that children actively engaged in early math learning exhibit more robust brain responses in areas related to number sense and logical reasoning compared to their less engaged peers. These insights have significant implications for early educational practices. They underscore the necessity of incorporating structured math learning into early childhood education curricula to foster cognitive development and set a foundation for sustained academic achievement. This body of research supports the need for policy changes that advocate for increased funding and access to early math programs, particularly in underserved communities. By prioritizing early math education, policymakers and educators can make a substantial impact on the educational outcomes of future generations, ensuring all children have the opportunity to reach their full potential. Your role in this process is crucial. As we take a look at best practices and strategies, we must start with tangible, hands on materials to foster a solid mathematical foundation for early learners. By beginning instruction with concrete objects such as blocks, counting bears, or abacus beads, young learners can physically manipulate these tools to understand abstract mathematical concepts more intuitively. This approach, supported by cognitive development theories, ensures abstract ideas like numbers and operations are grounded in physical reality, making them easier for young minds to grasp. As students become more comfortable with these concrete materials, educators should gradually introduce more abstract representations, such as pictures and mathematical symbols. This progression from concrete to pictorial to abstract is essential as it mirrors the natural development of children's understanding of math, making the learning process both engaging and effective. Integrating interactive learning tools is vital to further enhance engagement and retention. Utilizing digital tools and games that incorporate math concepts makes learning fun and provides opportunities for real time assessment and personalized learning paths. For example, interactive math games on tablets or computers can adjust to each student's skill level, offering immediate feedback that motivates and helps students progress at their own pace. However, recognizing that each student has unique learning needs and paces, differentiated instruction is paramount. Teachers should tailor their instructional methods to meet these diverse needs, which might involve using various grouping strategies, adjusting the level of challenge, or providing different types of support based on individual assessments. Effective implementation of differentiated instruction could include small group sessions for targeted teaching, one on one tutoring to address specific challenges, or customized assignments that cater to students' unique learning styles and paces. Through such structured yet flexible educational strategies, educators can ensure early math learning is foundational but also inclusive and adaptive, setting the stage for lifelong mathematical understanding and success. Enhancing early math skills through daily routines is a powerful way to integrate mathematics naturally into young learners' lives. Educators can significantly enhance students' number sense by embedding math talk into routine activities. For instance, during snack time or play, teachers can encourage children to engage in simple mathematical discussions, such as counting the number of apples on the table and exploring basic subtraction by asking, if we eat two, how many will be left? This practical application helps solidify foundational math concepts in a relatable context. Additionally, leveraging daily calendar activities offers another excellent opportunity to reinforce math skills. During calendar time, educators can teach counting, recognize patterns, and introduce time concepts by discussing the days of the week, specific dates, and even the weather. Questions like, what day comes after Tuesday? Or how many sunny days have we had this week? Help children begin to understand sequencing and patterns in a fun and engaging way. Introducing counting challenges can further enrich students' learning experiences. By encouraging children to count beyond what they are typically comfortable with, such as counting by twos, fives, or tens, teachers can enhance cognitive skills related to more advanced math concepts. An example activity might involve having students count chairs by twos as they tidy up the room, making the learning more interactive and useful. These strategies make math learning more engaging and enjoyable, and it also makes math relevant and helps seamlessly incorporate essential math skills into everyday classroom activities, fostering a natural and continuous learning environment that promotes early mathematical fluency. Integrating dynamic math activities into daily classroom routines can significantly enhance early learners' engagement and understanding of mathematical concepts. One effective approach is setting up math centers in the classroom. These dedicated areas allow children to delve into hands on activities and games, such as puzzles and sorting tasks, which are instrumental in developing their analytical skills. For instance, students might be invited to solve a puzzle that requires them to group objects by shape or color, encouraging them to apply mathematical thinking in a playful and interactive setting. Another enriching activity that significantly reinforces learning involves the use of math journals. By encouraging students to maintain a journal where they can record their mathematical explorations, educators can help children internalize what they learn. Students might draw the geometric shapes they studied or solve a math problem each day and describe their thinking process. For example, after a shape hunt, a student could draw the shapes they found and note the number of sides each shape has, thereby reinforcing their understanding through both visual representation and writing. Shape hunts themselves are a fantastic way to make math both fun and relevant. By organizing these interactive hunts, either in the classroom or outdoors, teachers can help students identify and classify shapes in their natural environment, bridging the gap between abstract concepts and tangible experiences. During a shape hunt, a teacher might prompt the children, let's find all the objects that are circular or have right angles, turning a simple walk into a lively and educational activity. These activities make math learning more engaging and ensure students see math as an integral, enjoyable part of their everyday lives. Educators can significantly boost students' confidence and competence in mathematics by fostering fostering a learning environment filled with rich, interactive, and practical math experiences. Integrating collaborative learning into early mathematics education is crucial for developing cognitive and social skills in young learners. By creating opportunities for students to work together in small groups, solve puzzles, play board games, or tackle story problems that require teamwork and shared problem solving, children can effectively articulate and share their mathematical ideas. This method facilitates a deeper understanding and retention of math concepts and promotes essential social skills alongside cognitive development. Additionally, adopting continuous assessment is pivotal in shaping effective learning outcomes. Regular, informal assessments provide ongoing feedback on students' comprehension and mastery of math concepts. These can take various forms, including observational assessments, quizzes, or practical tasks that students perform in a low pressure environment. This strategy is instrumental in helping educators promptly identify learning gaps and strengths, allowing for timely instructional adjustments tailored to each student's specific needs. Continuous assessment is key to ensuring all students progress optimally, fostering a robust foundation in early math education that supports lifelong learning. As we have explored impactful ways to integrate mathematics into early education, it's crucial for us to pause and reflect on current teaching practices. Consider how you currently incorporate math into your daily routines. Reflect on the strategies you found effective and the challenges you encounter when teaching math to young learners. Here are a few guiding questions to help you assess and potentially enhance your approach. What specific strategies have you implemented that have been effective in teaching math? What are the main challenges you face in your math instruction? How could the strategies discussed in this session be integrated into your existing teaching practices to overcome these challenges? I encourage you to jot down your thoughts and ideas during your reflection in a notebook or a journal. This is a great opportunity to align your teaching methods with the best practices we've discussed, aiming to optimize how you teach math and engage your students. Please pause the video now to complete your reflection and restart it when you are ready to continue the session. Early math education plays a pivotal role in shaping the academic and cognitive development of young students. Incorporating research-backed strategies into your teaching can significantly enhance learning outcomes and equip our students with the foundational tools necessary for future success. Let's reiterate our commitment to prioritizing equity and inclusivity within our math instruction, ensuring every student, regardless of background or ability, has the opportunity to excel and thrive. As educators, let's make a concerted effort to revolutionize the way we approach teaching math to young learners by emphasizing the importance of early math education and ensuring it serves as a strong starting point in the educational journey. We can empower each child to reach their full potential. Let's take actionable steps toward implementing these effective teaching strategies and commit to making math education a transformative experience for all students. If you found value in this presentation, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Stay updated with upcoming sessions on my channel, and let's enrich our journeys together. Please take some time to explore some of my blogs for additional resources and insights. The URLs are shown here.